Wildfires spread in Western and Central Europe as some areas enter a second month of little or no rainfall. Peruvian officials say 9 people died after they were poisoned at a funeral in the country's south. In the United States, 2 New Jersey police officers were shot while they were sitting in a vehicle at a stoplight. Officials say that one officer was able to fire back at the shooter. Both officers are expected to survive their injuries.
The tree I remember was in the countryside.
And China, the world's second largest film market, has banned Disney's live-action movie Christopher Robin from its theaters.